Here we are, trailhead of Briones Trail. Gonna make a quick 6-mile loop. About a half mile in. A little bit of mud, 44 degrees. I'll be taking this jacket off soon. Usually start cold, but I got a lightweight rain jacket. Easy to get off. Going up. About a mile into it. A little bit of elevation gain, but now it's really starting to go up. Get a good workout. All right. I'm up at the ridge line. Briones Crest Trail. Still some going up to do. But that was a good little climb. Maybe 350 feet up. 12% grade. A little bit flatter. But we still got some uphill to go. Been on the ridge line for about a half mile. A couple puds, pointless up and downs, but mostly up. So I'm about at 1250. The highest point here is about 1400. So while I'm in the fog, you still got a couple views. And the interesting thing about the fog is if you want to see something, you got to walk up to it and be revealed what's in front of you. So I know what's in front of me, Mount Diablo, but it's surrounded by the fog. A couple days ago there was snow up there. That'd have been cool to hike in that. But for now I'm gonna keep going. When you come to a fork in the road, you pick it up, or you take it. That's cut off over there, but we're still going up. Last time I checked, we're at 1310 in elevation. You know, your compass on your smartphone has got the altimeter. That's a handy tool for helping to figure out how much higher you got to go. Okay, still hovering around 1320, 1330 with the elevation, and just a little bit more uphill. Do have a bit of a grade to go up here, so I'm gonna turn this thing on and put the poles in and power down. Giddy up. It's not raining now, but it did this morning. But I knocked out 1,400 feet in elevation gain in 2 miles. We'll see you on the top. I'll leave the light on for you. A little bit of a break. Nice view of the fog, but still gorgeous. The snack food for the break was Spam, some granola bars, and freeze-dried fruit. Totaled 400 calories. Good little pick-me-up. Little note. Never rip the top off completely, so you only have one piece of trash. That's Bob D's rule of thumb. And my rule of thumb with water, I think it goes for a lot of people. When you get to the halfway point on a hike, you should have at least 2/3 your water left. Keep going. This is a really cool section of the park. We're at 1,400 feet, and it's like a plateau. wide open, flat, absolutely gorgeous. Almost to the last uphill. You can see that saddle right there is where we're going, and then 2 miles back down. Nice. 1.5 miles to go, but it's the express route going down. Pretty muddy, slippery, wet. Haven't taken a tumble, and I'm gonna keep it that way. Giddy up. Finishing up the last mile. Certainly had to turn the camera off going down some of these sections, pretty steep and quite slippery. So make another couple turns and it's just a straight shot back to the parking lot. Hook up with Monica. Looks like there's some mistletoe in that tree. So finishing up Briones Ridge Trail. Almost at the parking lot, but I'll close it out here. 6.5 miles, just a tad over 2 hours. About 1,400 feet of elevation gain. About 45 degrees. Mostly overcast, but every now and then you get the peekaboo view. So, another great day in the Bay Area. Signing off.